An 80 years old man was sitting on the sofa in his house along with his 45 years old highly educated son. Suddenly, a crow perched on their window. The father asked his son, "What's this?" The son replied, "It's a crow." After a few minutes, the father asked his son the second time, "What's this?" The son said, "Father, I have just told you, it's a crow." After a little while, the old father again asked his son the third time, "What's this?" At this time, some expression of irritation was felt in the son's tone when he said to his father with a rebuff, "It's a crow, a crow, a crow." A little after, the father again asked his son the fourth time, "What's this?" This time, the son shouted at his father, "Why do you keep asking me the same question again and again? Although I have told you so many times, it's a crow. Are you not able to understand?" A little later, father went to his room and came back with an old tattered diary, which he had maintained since his son was born. On opening a page, he asked his son to read that page. When the son read it, the following words were written in the diary. "Today, my little son, aged 3, was sitting with me on the sofa. When a crow was sitting on the window, my son asked me 23 times what it was. And I replied to him all 23 times that it was a crow. I hugged him lovingly each time he asked me the same question. I did not at all feel irritated, rather felt affection for my innocent child." While the little child asked him 23 times what it is, the father had felt no irritation in replying to the same question all 23 times. And when today the father asked his son the same question just 4 times, the son felt irritated and annoyed.